Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Rumble versus Yasuo. We'll explore their unique playstyles, abilities, and how they stack up against each other on the Rift. Rumble, a fiery Yordle mech pilot, brings sustained magic damage and powerful area of effect control. Yasuo, the agile swordsman, offers high mobility, critical strike damage, and impressive outplay potential. Understanding their core mechanics is key to mastering either champion. Rumble excels with his unique heat mechanic, empowering his abilities in the danger zone. His flame spitter deals continuous magic damage in a cone, ignoring Yasuo's wind wall. The electro harpoon slows and shreds magic resistance, while his scrap shield provides a burst of speed and defense. His ultimate, the equalizer, can devastate team fights by dropping a line of fire that damages and slows enemies over 4.5 seconds, making him a formidable area of effect threat. Yasuo's passive, Way of the Wanderer, grants him double critical strike chance and a shield for moving. His Steel Tempest is a versatile attack, with the third cast launching a whirlwind that knocks enemies airborne. The iconic Wind Wall blocks all enemy projectiles for 4 seconds, offering incredible defensive utility. Sweeping Blade allows him to dash through enemies, providing immense mobility. His ultimate, Last Breath, can only be cast on airborne targets, dealing significant damage and granting bonus armor penetration for 15 seconds. In a direct confrontation, Rumble's Flamespitter bypasses Yasuo's Wind Wall, giving him an advantage in sustained damage. However, Yasuo's shield can mitigate some of Rumble's poke, and his high mobility makes landing Rumble's skill shots challenging. Yasuo scales incredibly well into the late game, while Rumble dominates early and mid-game team fights with his area of effect damage. Success often hinges on Rumble's ability to land a game-changing equalizer, or Yasuo's capacity to outmaneuver and isolate targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.